Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a hand towel as a travel pillow. This will be an easy life hack, and I'll go over some instructions that you can follow along with, and they will allow you to do just that. So these are easy instructions, and basically they will allow you to do just that. They will allow you to turn your hand towel into a travel pillow. And by they, I mean the instructions. So very, very simple. You want to get your hand towel and you want to sort of open it up as big as you possibly can, okay? Now you have to use your judgment. This is a pretty decently sized hand towel. There are some that are bigger, there are some that are smaller. If I had a hand towel that was this size, I could basically go two different options, two different ways. If you have something that's smaller, you're basically only going to be able to use it in one way, which I'll go over in a moment. If you have something that's bigger, you can use it in even more ways. But basically for something this size, okay, what I want to do is I want to fold it in half, okay? Just like this. I'm folding it in half, okay? And then this is basically about the right, width of what I want. So then I'm going to roll it. I'm just going to roll it into like, I don't know what it's called, but like roll it into like a little, hot dog, I guess you could call it, like that type of shape, okay? Just like that. So I've rolled it up. Now, this is basically the borderline of how big it needs to be in order to sort of use as a travel pillow regularly. So basically for this right here, I could put it behind me, and I would use my travel pillow in this way. So I could put it behind my neck right here, and the sides are not going to be held in place, but they're going to sort of keep me comforted, okay? And depending on what kind of seat you're in, the sides might be held in place, but even like here, you'll see the sides are going to sort of open up, but it's going to support my neck. So I can just put my neck back like this. Oh yeah. Right there. That feels amazing. That feels great. So basically, it's supporting my neck, okay? If yours is bigger than this, then it's going to be longer, right? And then you're really going to get some side support. So your sides might end up coming down to here, which is even better. So you can use, if it's bigger, you can use it in this way, okay? And even if it's this size, this is the borderline of being able to use it in this way. Okay, so that's the first option. If your hand towel is roughly bigger, is this size or bigger, okay? Just like that. Use it like a regular travel pillow just for some neck support around like that. Beautiful. Now, if yours is smaller, or if it's this size or bigger, but you want to fold it up, what you can do is you can then take it and instead of rolling it up, okay, if it's smaller, you can use this method. Or if it's bigger, you can also use this method. This method goes either way. Instead of rolling it up, I folded it in half still, okay? And I'm going to fold it again. And then basically from here, I'm probably gonna fold it again, and it's gonna be almost like this, okay? And then at this point, I'll probably just fold it just slightly in half, like I'm just gonna sort of crunch it up, okay? And right now it's much smaller, but it has more thickness, so more support for my neck. So right now I can just put it behind my neck and just, oh yeah, that feels amazing. Feels absolutely great. Just sits behind the neck and just gives you that extra little bit of support. So basically, if you have a larger size hand towel, you can use that first method that goes around, okay? That's basically, I put it at the back of my neck and it sort of supported the sides as well. And if you have a smaller hand towel, you can use this method, which is that you sort of crunch it up and it just goes just behind, okay? Very simple. The first, option, like I said, very simple. Roll it up. I'm just gonna quickly put it together like this. Roll it up, and you can sort of use that as support like this, which supports behind your neck and on a little bit on the sides. Okay, just like that. And also smaller hand towels or bigger ones can use this method as well. Is just sort of crunch it up and just right there. Perfect. And another thing that you can do is actually, the last thing I'll say is that you can actually put something inside of this. So like some people will recommend getting a t-shirt or a sweater and rolling the sweater up inside of the hand towel. Okay. And then you can roll the hand towel, okay, with the t-shirt or sweater inside of there. It'll be nice and plump and thick. And then you can use it once again for support like that. Okay, very, very simple. And that's it. That is how to use a hand towel as a travel pillow. A simple life hack, easy instructions, really, really easy to do. And hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.